students, I hope you are enjoying biology class to know different aspects of how the fruit is developed from the flower and what is false fruit. Meanwhile, we discussed an example for false fruit in the previous class, as we have taken example of an apple. Now, in this today's class, let us study about the different walls of the fruit. We eat different fruits like apple, pear, papaya, pineapple, cherry, plum. When you just compare their outer structure, it is totally interesting to know how nature develops into different layers. Not all the layers of the fruit is edible. Only the fleshy part of the fruits are edible. Edible in the sense we can eat. In today's class, let us study about the different layers of fruits. First, we have taken the example of mango, the section of mango, it's found on the board. So first, the outer layer in most of the fruits are thin, and also in some fruits they are thick, and that outer layer is known as epicarp. Epi is out, carp is the layer. Epicarp is the outer protective layer for the fruits, and few epicarps are edible. And also the inner, that is the middle layer, which is fleshy, juicy, is known as mesocarp, which is thick, which is very thick and pulpy, and that is termed as mesocarp. And the inside or the innermost layer is known as endocarp, where in some of the fruits it is very hard, and that part is known as endocarp. But together, epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp are termed as pericarp. Pericarp, the entire together, all the three can be called as pericarp. So pericarp, it is the wall of the ovary. So mango develops from ovary part of the flower. Therefore, what is pericarp? It is the outer wall of the ovary. And whereas the ovules develop into seeds. Coming to tomatoes, papaya, the pericarp is very thin. When you take tomato and peel the outer skin, it is very thin. I mean to say that the pericarp layer of the tomatoes are very thin. And also the papaya, you will just peel the outer that's the epicarp, and you start consuming it, right? But whereas in grams, what do you call in Kannada batani, isn't it? When you just peel out, it is very hard. It is not soft and thin as we found in tomatoes. Next, let us study about what are fleshy and dry fruits. Fleshy and dry fruits. Fleshy fruits are the fruits which are very pulpy, juicy, sweet to taste. And the example we have taken here are the grapes. The grapes, the pericarp component is very thin and it has more moisture, it is very pulpy and juicy. And also the tomatoes. Papayas, they are called fleshy fruits, and that pulpy part of the fruit which is termed as fleshy. And coming to mango, cherry and plum, outer epicarp is very thin and mesocarp is very juicy, pulpy, whereas endocarp is hard. The hard part of endocarp is not consumed in mango, cherry and plum. And the next is, what are dry fruits? Dry fruits, mesocarp, it is protected by the hard shell, right? The epicarp it is the hard shell, it's very hard. Whereas the mesocarp and the endocarp, they are found as an edible part. Some are fused, where the outer part is not consumed, whereas the inner part, that is the innermost part of the dry fruits, are edible. And fine example we can give you is walnut. The walnut, the pericarp is very hard shell. You have to break it and you will get the edible endocarp. So these are all the different types of fruits which we eat, and it's very interesting to know their developments. Let us have a quick recapitulation what and all we studied. We studied a section of mango, that is outer layer is called epicarp, middle one, the center, very pulpy, juicy, sweet mesocarp, and innermost is known as endocarp. Together it is termed as pericarp. That is what? It is a wall of the ovary. Next we studied about tomatoes, papayas, where pericarp is very thin, whereas in grams the pericarp is a little bit harder. Then we also discussed about fleshy and dry fruits. Fleshy fruits examples: grapes, tomatoes and papayas. And again coming to parallel to the mango, cherry and plum, the mesocarp and the pericarp are edible, whereas endocarp are very hard. Then coming to dry fruits, the pericarp, that is epicarp, it is very hard and it is found as a shell. It has to be broken and then the edible part is found inside. So dear students, these are all the different types of fruits which are developed in different plants. Kindly watch the video at least 3 times, again and again, slowly, and also read the textbook. Definitely you will understand the concept. So meet you with the next interesting topic. Still then, be safe.